In this video, I'll be showing you how to bid on whatnot. So in order to bid on whatnot, you will need to input your details. So payments and shipping. Ensure that your shipping and payment methods is all added and verified. So obviously if you're bidding in live stream and you don't have your details, you will not be able to bid on that item in real time. So it's very important. And then you find the items that you want. Okay, so this one, it just gives you the option to buy now. There's nothing really for bid right now. Unfortunately, there's not even one single item up for bid right now. They're all buy now, so I cannot demonstrate this. But it's the same principle. Be careful because as soon as you swipe that buy now or bid now button, that will bid now, and you won't be able to get your money back unless you go through a refund process. So be careful with it. Make sure you're bidding on items that you actually want to buy. And yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.